Hey, my name is Becky. Welcome to the beauty of symmetry in Chinese calligraphy. In this lesson, we are going to learn this character. This character looks more complicated than our previous characters, right? Okay, so in modern character, it's like this, and it pronounced as jìng. So what does jìng mean? It means clean. Okay, now let's look at the history of this character. So we see that this character jìng is combined with the left part, this. Do you still remember this character? It's from lesson 19 in Chinese calligraphy for beginners. It means water. Okay, and the right part is this character. Do you still remember? It's from lesson 12 in this course. It pronounced as zheng, two hands. It's combined with two hands, right? It means fight for something. So what's the relationship between these two sides and this one? So actually for this character, this character is in, do you know the spring and autumn dynasties in Chinese history, which is about more than 2,000 years ago. So in the spring and autumn dynasty, there was a small country. So at that time, we had there were 5 small kingdoms in China. There was a kingdom called Lu. So in the 4 direction of that kingdom, there is a gate, right? So 4 gates. So in the north gate, the name of the north gate is called jìng. So and the river surrounds the 4 gates, and to protect the city, the kingdom, the river is called jìng. So that's how this character come from. So it's the water of the north gate, the gate of zheng. So we call it zhengmen, means the zheng gate. Okay, now let's come to the 4 characteristics in Chinese calligraphy. The first one is symmetry. So you can see if we draw a line from the middle, the left part and the right part nearly have the same space. And also on the left side, it also symmetry, right? So the left part and the right part of the shui, the water part, is symmetry. And the right part, if you see from this line, the middle line of zheng is also symmetrical. Okay, now the average space. So we already mentioned it earlier. The average space, in this time you can see this space and this space. The spaces between each 2 vertical lines are nearly the same. And also for these horizontal lines are also nearly the same. That is what we call the average space. Okay, now thick lines. So you can see these lines are really thick. Okay, now number 4, drifting long lines. As we mentioned in our previous lessons, the drifting long lines you can see in this character is combined with this long line, this long line, this long line, and this long line. There are 4 drifting long lines. Okay, now I will show you how to write this character with a marker. So in this part, we will focus more on the order. Okay, now, so consider this is a pattern. So it's like long this. So we need to find the middle point, and then the middle point on the left and the middle point of the right. So here, so you can see this part, the beginning of the left part is nearly here, right? So we write the same as shui, so here. Then we write this one and this one. Pay attention, this is the middle line. So this one is slightly, so you need to keep some space here. So and then we write this one and this one. So you can see the right line is slightly longer than this one, and also it's like a curving like this. Okay, now keep the space on these two sides are nearly the same. Okay, now the right part. The right part, okay, the middle lies here. So we draw from here, lift up, and here. And then here. And then here. We've learned this character before, right? And then this, the starting point is slightly lower than this one. So it's here and here. So in this part, you can either draw this line and then this line, or this line and here and then this line. It depends. So you can actually do in your way. Okay, now I will do this way and then find the middle point and then the long drifting line. So you can see these two lines are nearly at the same level. And then here. Okay, this is the order of writing this character. So in next part, I will show you how to write it with a calligraphy brush. Okay, now, do you know how to write this character, jìng, with a Chinese calligraphy brush? This is Becky's calligraphy lesson, The Beauty of Symmetry in Chinese Calligraphy. And you are welcome to share my course to your friends and family. And in next lesson, we are going to learn this character. Okay, now see you in next lesson.